Welcome to today's Tech Talk. I'm Terry McCullough, Engineering Manager with U.S.A, and we're at the Functional Fabric Fair in Portland, Oregon. I'm excited to introduce a new product from U.S.A's innovative Revived Renewal Series, the AquaGuard NATULON Coil Zipper with Revived Top Stop. This little part is making a big difference in allowing the repair of zippers. Before I dive into the product, let's talk about what a top stop is on a zipper and understand its main function. On a zipper, the little metal or plastic piece at the top of the fastener is called the top stop. Its purpose is to prevent the slider, the component that opens and closes the zipper, from coming off the top when opened. For example, when you open a zipper on the center front of a jacket, the top stop is designed to prevent the slider from being pulled off the single zipper strand. When U.S.A manufactures a zipper, the top stop is either made by crimping a metal part or a single plastic injection mold on the edge of the zipper tape. With the Revived Renewal Series top stops, we use the version of the plastic injection-based process on our zippers. The AquaGuard NATULON Coil Zipper with Revived Top Stop expands the Revived Renewal Series beyond the first edition of Vislon Revived Top Stops. The AquaGuard NATULON Coil Zipper with Revived Top Stop goes a step further by featuring a two-part injection mold top stop that securely retains the slider while still allowing a broken or damaged slider to be removed and replaced. Additionally, the thick cord in between the two-part injected top stop was flattened to remove any barriers that would prevent the ease of removal of a broken or damaged slider. In the rare case when a slider is broken or damaged, the slider can no longer be used to open or close a garment. The Revived Top Stop can be used to remove the broken or damaged slider and to replace a new slider without destructive repair, extending the life of a garment. Unlike the Vislon Revived Top Stop, which has a fixed zigzag channel for the top stop, the AquaGuard NATULON Coil version allows the edge of the zipper to be flexed for easily removal of the slider. To attach a new slider, the process is simply reversed by flexing the zipper tape and sliding the new slider between the two stops for easy repair. To wrap up, the AquaGuard NATULON Coil Zipper with Revived Top Stop is an innovative solution for brands looking to extend product life through repair. To learn more, check out the other products in U.S.A's Revived Renewal Series on YouTube. For additional resources, visit the U.S.A Digital Showroom or contact your U.S.A account manager for more information. Thank you for tuning in, and catch you on the next Tech Talk.